What is up, Bread Gang? How are you guys doing today? I'm up really early, my hair's a mess, it's foggy outside. We're gonna get a lot done today, that's the goal. I don't know if you can tell behind me, the mod is finished. I don't know if you can see it right now. I'll give you guys a full reveal a little bit later on in this video, so stay tuned. But we got a lot to get done today. We gotta get some shirts shipped out, we gotta reveal the mod, and I'm trying to finish a new outro for the channel today that's really gonna incorporate all of the people that I've come into contact with in the past year or almost a year that I've been doing this channel. So a lot of things to do today. Let's get started. But first, I need some Chick-fil-A.
That's what I'm talking about.
I completely forgot to film while I was at Chick-fil-A, but just know it was amazing. Thomas, guys, we're setting the new date for the truck meet, hopefully this weekend, for the next truck meet this weekend, so stay tuned for that. I will have more details coming as the week goes on. As soon as I meet with Thomas and we finalize a date, I will shoot it out to you guys so you guys can mark your calendars. It might be a bigger venue, I don't know what we're gonna come up with, but just know every time we do it, it gets bigger and better, more burnouts, more Bojangles. I mean, what more could you ask for? But I'm gonna start the video off today. I know you guys don't wanna wait till the end of the video for everything, and I know you're gonna have to wait till the end of the video to at least see the outro, because obviously it's the outro, so you gotta wait till the end. But I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys. These are the new spike lug nuts. They are true spike lug nuts, just like you guys knew from the previous video. These are the two-piece true spike lug nuts. They have the black end piece, the actual lug. It's a 19mm end lug nut with the screw-on 50 cal red accented bullets. Such a beautiful color, accents the truck really well. I think when I go to redo the truck, I want something a little bit brighter because it's really hard to see up close. You can see it. I mean, I step back 5 feet and it's kind of hard to notice, so you have to be up close and on it. It does exactly match the 50 cal bullet antenna that I have up there as well. So you got the bullet antenna and you got the two-piece red true spike lug nuts. You can't ask for anything more than that. I think it turns out amazing. I love how this truck is coming together with all the little red accents. And you got the little red MCGAUGHYS emblems in there. Huge shout out to MCGAUGHYS, best lift company in the nation. When I get the new lift kit, we are going to do so many big things. Expect a lot more red on this truck. I will tell you guys that right now. Expect a lot of red. I'm so happy with how the truck's turning out. Now I'm thinking I need maybe a little red on the front. What red could I do on the front? I don't really want to do red bow tie. I'm gonna tell you guys that right now. I'm thinking Tyler's gonna be really happy about this, but I'm thinking red tow hooks. That might be the next move. I might even plasti dip those, to be honest. That might not be too bad and be a little easy mod that I could do. I know for a fact trying to get these off is way more time than it's worth. So if I could paint them while they're on there, that would be great. I'm really enjoying how the truck's turning out right now. I need to do something about that exhaust as well, but you know, that all comes with time. Hope you guys enjoyed the lug nuts. That's one of 3 things crossed off the list today for this video. I gotta get some stuff shipped out to you guys. Charlie, your shirt's on the way. Riley, your shirt's on the way as of today, I promise. All of these shirts are on the way. And I'm doing, let's see, I don't know if I'm doing red shirts or hoodies next. I'm doing a full rebranding of everything. There's been some issues with doing Bread Gang stuff, so I'm doing a full rebranding, but we're still gonna do bread themed merch. So stay tuned for that. As soon as I get a logo and everything, I will make a full video about what I'm doing with the rebranding, and everything's gonna be bigger and better, and we're gonna take it, sky's the limit. I'm gonna run and try and get all this stuff packaged together so I can get it shipped out to you guys today. It should take 3 or 4 days, depending on where you're at. Biggest thing about the video today is I'm super excited. I'm redoing the outro. I'm gonna redo the outro and try and put as many of the amazing people as I've met in the last year together into this video, and just really show my appreciation at the end of the video, at the end of every video, with this outro of everybody that's helped me and been a part of my journey so far. We're just about to hit 4,500 on YouTube, which blows my mind, and we're I mean, that puts us really close to 5K, which I mean is way bigger than I ever thought we'd be after, you know, 6-8 months, whatever it is. So I'm gonna run and get started on that, bring you guys with me. Let's see how the day goes.
A few moments later.
I just finished up the new outro for the channel. Oh, hello. New outro for the channel is done. It's featuring so many people. I'm so excited to show it to you guys at the end of this video. Do it with Dan, JW Montoya, a bunch of my different subscribers. I mean, anybody that I've come into contact with in the past 6 months and even a year. Everybody that's been a part of the Bread Gang, a part of the journey, I wanted to include in this. It's a little bit longer than my last one, but that's okay. It's got a really chill, cool vibe to it, and it just showcases a lot of different people that have been a part of the journey, and that's something that the Bread Gang's all about, is helping each other out and supporting each other, motivating, you know, that kind of thing. It's all positive. Now this, again, like I was saying previously, we're in the middle of a rebranding. I'm not allowed to, there's a bigger entity in the world out there, I'm not gonna say who already has Bread Gang stuff. If you know who it is, shout out to them. So I need to start transitioning and do something bigger than Bread Gang. Now, obviously, I'm still gonna call you guys the Bread Gang. The Bread Gang is what we built this on, and it's never going anywhere, but we're going to have to transition into something bigger. So I'm trying to come up with something a little more professional, a little more legal, that I can kind of cover more aspects of my life with. So stay tuned for that. I'm still, ironing out some details, trying to get some stuff together, work on a professional logo for you guys. But to finish off today, we're gonna finish getting some stuff put together so I can ship out some merch to you guys. We're gonna get some merch shipped out to you guys. That's the main thing. I now have a box full of orders ready to be shipped out for you guys. These shirts include, these packages include a shirt of your size choosing and a decal, a Bread Gang decal, just like that right there, just like that, Bread Gang decal. So make sure you guys order a shirt. Like I said 100 times, I have hoodies on the way as soon as I can get a logo, blah, blah, blah. The moment that you guys have all been waiting for, I just finished up the intro, or the outro, sorry. I just finished up the outro, and I'm super excited to show it to you guys. Like I said, it's got some heavy hitters in it, and I'm really excited. It's got a really good vibe to it, and it's just something I've been wanting to redo for a while and really give back to you guys. I mean, I wouldn't be anywhere without you guys, you watching this video right now, and I really appreciate it. So I try and showcase as many people. The intro is all about me, and I wanna make the outro all about you. That's gonna be it for this video. I'm gonna run to the bank, and I might be test driving a potential vehicle for the channel today. So that will be in next time's video, or the next video, however you want to say it. Anyway, you guys are the best. I love you so much. Hit me up for merch. Discount codes below for lighting trends and Last Fit Auto. Huge shout out to MCGAUGHYS, best lift company in the world. I'll see you guys next time. Let's get this bread.
Get the spread.
Is it gonna focus on me? Is there? Say hello. Freedom_F150. Follow my man right here. We're not gonna do that today.
Dude, it's pretty damn wide.